Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of low-carb dieting and exploring some of the best foods that can help you stay on track. So, let's get started. 1. Sweet potatoes, a true low-carb powerhouse. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, potassium, and vitamins A and C. 2. Blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants and can be used in salads, soups, and stews. 3. Lean proteins. From chicken breast to fish, lean proteins are essential for maintaining a healthy weight and supporting muscle growth. 4. Eggs. Not only are they delicious, but they're also an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. 5. Spinach. This leafy green is a low-carb powerhouse, packed with nutrients like iron, calcium, and chlorophyll. 6. Carrots. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. 7. Cauliflower. This low-carb cousin of cauliflower rice is another versatile vegetable that can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful, nutrient-dense, and low in carbs. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from tacos to salads. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a delicious and essential ingredient in any keto or low-carb diet. They're full of lycopene, powerful antioxidant. 10. Cucumber. Cucumbers are a low-carb, hydrating veggie that's perfect for sandwiches and salads. 11. Avocados. These creamy, fat-rich fruits are not only tasty, but also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. 12. Peanut butter. Almond, cashew, or peanut butter are delicious and high in healthy fats, making them a staple in any low-carb kitchen. 13. Almonds and walnuts are not only tasty, but also an excellent source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. 14. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. 15. Pistachios. These nuts are not only tasty, but also high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. 16. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delicious treat that's also high in antioxidants and can help satisfy your sweet tooth. 17. Yogurt. Plain or low-fat yogurt is a great source of protein and can be used in a variety of recipes. 18. Hummus. This creamy, nutty dip is packed with healthy fats and can be used as a topping for veggies or as a sandwich spread. 19. Tofu. A versatile meat substitute that's low in carbs and high in protein. 20. Green onions. These tasty, leafy green vegetables can be used in a variety of dishes and are low in carbs. And that's it for today's list of 20 low-carb diet foods. Be sure to check out my full list of low-carb foods here, so you can have everything you need to make delicious, healthy meals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more keto and low-carb recipes. Thanks for watching.